Plant these here. Today's the 19th. We'll plant them tomorrow probably. Overwinter onions. We'll plant them. You get them to germinate and grow. Then as the temperatures get colder, the plants will go dormant. Hence the overwinter. And they'll just kind of hang out until spring temperatures start to come up. And then the plants will wake up again and go through their life cycle. And we'll harvest them kind of end of June, early July. Well, happy overcast June. We are using our John Deere 6R 195 tractor, and the lifter is a Grimm WV lifter. These are from Germany that we ordered. Today we are lifting our overwinter yellow crop of onions. This is about a 35 or so acre field. We lift the onions to kind of end their life cycle, and then we can get them to start drying down in the sun that we're hopefully getting here in the next few days. And then that'll help them store for the little while they'll be, and then off to the market they will go. Overwinters don't tend to store. It's part of the variety they have. It's kind of a trade-off whether you want them to survive the winter or store, so we'd rather survive the winter. So typically these will get packed and shipped off right away, and that'll probably happen in the next couple weeks. It's going pretty well out here. We had some rain here in the past weekend here in Oregon, so it's nice and damp out here, so no dust. It's nice. I can see what I'm doing. Usually lifting overwinters, you couldn't even see behind you at all. It'd be so dusty. But it's just kind of a weird year for weather, so here we are.